Hello everybody, Joe here, talking about a forge. So today we are working on my last set of Ken's Custom Iron tong kit, blank kit. It was a set of scrolling jaw tongs. So I modified them a little bit, turned them into these blade tongs, rat tail tongs. So before we get into that though, two things I wanted to talk about. So I actually did the forging yesterday, and this morning I watched Black Bear Forge, John, over there. I'll link to his video. And he was doing a set of Ken's Custom Iron tongs today. And he had said that on Amazon there's somebody passing off not Ken's tongs as Ken's tongs, and linking to one of his videos and as an instruction on how to put them together. That's not Ken's Custom Iron. If you want to buy Ken's Custom Iron, go to Ken's Custom Iron website. I'll see if I can find the link and post it down in the description also. That's one thing. And the second thing is rook ironworks over there on Instagram. Having some financial issues going on, and he has a beautiful blade that he's going to waffle. I'll see if I can figure out how to put a link. I'll put that down there also. Yeah, I don't know the circumstances, but him and his family are basically living in a motel right now. This is the last blade that he had out of his forge before all this happened, and he is trying to get some things taken care of, get back on his feet, back into a place. So if you can, go check him out, get a slot in the waffle, or just spread the word. Anyway, let's get into this, and then we'll talk about the tongs at the end. All right, here we go. Doing some modifications here. These are actually the scrolling tong kit set from Ken's Custom Iron, but I don't want scrolling tongs, or I don't need scrolling tongs. What I do need seeing if I can stretch this out far enough. Make myself a set of a monkey tail or bladesmithing tongs, I guess. Let's see if I can get this stretched out and not be too thin. Back in the fire. Just drawing the range out now. Well, that's not good. I bent the tip the wrong way. Alrighty guys, so where did I set the other one out? Oh, here it is. So I made them identical, and I shouldn't have done that. So I have the other one back in there. What I need to do is, because I actually had the offset in the wrong direction here, so I need to change the offset, and then I need to twist this so it's facing the opposite direction. I need them to be opposite of each other. So when let's go with the bolt. Here it is. Little screw thing here. So what I'm trying for, something like that, but that only gives me about that much space, about an inch before I'm hitting. So what I need to do is the one on top here, I believe. Nope, the one on bottom here. This one's warm. So what I'm going to do is the bottom one, I need to take this, push it this way, twist that over so both of these hooks come in the same direction, and I need to offset it to the side just a little bit, and so this one needs to come over also. But I want to get the bottom one fixed first. So that's the plan. Alright, let's see how that's lining up. There it is. Of course, I made them right-handed, so I need to offset these so they line up, but that's more what I'm looking for. Alright, whoa, wait. Alright everybody, so I got the reins adjusted out, so they're actually grippable. I got them lined up. last adjustments I need to do are the grip. But actually, that feels pretty good. Let me see. It's actually not too bad. I do need to make a larger set for holding larger stock. Oh, believe it or not, I have a lot of leaf spring to work with. So, let me get this camera adjusted. Hold on, wasn't that fun? Alrighty, so let's talk about these tongs. So they have a short rein. I did kick the reins out because I wanted to do a clip, rein clip. These are a little loose. I mean, they will hold 1/4 by 1 1/4, which is what this piece here is. That's not fully. Where we at? There we are. You see there's a big gap here, a little gap here. It does hold it a little better this way. Better grip on it. Fills in better. These still need to be adjusted for whatever stock I decide to use it on. But yeah, it turned out great. I drew the little nibs that they come with. I drew it out, probably about 3 or 4 inches. A little knockdown, a twist. Drew the reins out. Probably not too bad. They're a little rough, not horrible. I mean, no big, they're not uncomfortable to hold, so I did mess up a little bit. Obviously, I put it, normally you want the rein closest to your hand coming off the top. Well, I did these ones backwards, so these ones you would actually hold in your right hand and forward with your left hand. So I actually had to do the offset and bring them in together. Normally I prefer them to be offset like this because it lays into your hand and you're just holding it there. It naturally wants to fall into your hand. These ones, the way they were in my right hand or left hand, it naturally wants to fall away from my hand. So, but I made that adjustment. It will hold the blades that I'm working on. Holds it just fine. I can actually get it from either end. It's not a tight fit here, but it is tight here. And I actually designed it to where it can pass down, past the rivet if I need to. Obviously not too far because I want to keep some heat, keep the heat away from my hand. But I have a feeling this is definitely going to help a lot. And this is the first time I've ever tried this style. I actually learned quite a bit. So thanks for coming along. Don't forget, go check out John's video right up there, and go check out rook.bladeworks, link down in the description. So, oh Mo, thanks again. This thing rocks. So that's all I got for today. Joe here, talking about a forge. Peace, and I'm out.